Hello and welcome. This is Today in the News. Here are the highlights.
Court orders university lecturers to return to classroom. Senate confirms appointment of Justice Kayode Ariwoola as substantive Chief Justice of Nigeria. PDP governors pull out of campaign council of party's presidential candidate. House of Reps committee uncovers alleged secret account owned by NNPC Limited. The National Industrial Court has ordered university lecturers to return to classroom, pending the determination of the suit filed against the Academic Staff Union of Universities. Justice Polycarp Hammond, delivering ruling on the interlocutory injunction filed by the federal government, restrained Asuu from continuing with the industrial action pending the determination of the suit. Justice Polycarp, who was a vacation judge, ordered that the case file be returned to the president of the Industrial Court for reassignment to another judge. Meanwhile, the National Association of Nigerian Students say they have rejected the ruling of the court and have given the federal government a 2-week ultimatum to address all issues concerning the industrial action. The Nigerian Senate has confirmed the appointment of Justice Kayode Ariwoola as the substantive Chief Justice of Nigeria. This confirmation follows a screening at Senate's plenary. Justice Ariwoola was led into the Senate chambers by the Senior Special Assistant to the President on National Assembly Matters, Senator Babajide Omowurare. When it was time to speak, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, who was accompanied by all top judicial officers in the country, started with a brief introduction and also gave his profile. During the screening process, federal lawmakers questioned Justice Ariwoola on various subjects within his jurisdiction and how he intends to confront the challenges in the third arm of government. He also committed to raising the bar in the dispensation of justice, welfare, and general well-being of judicial workers. The team of the Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike in the People's Democratic Party has pulled out of the campaign council of the party's presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar. Though Atiku Abubakar, in a swift reaction, says he cannot compel Asuu to resign. The team had risen from a stormy meeting at the country home of Wike in Obiakpo on Wednesday morning. Members of the team vowed not to partake in Atiku's campaign activities pending the resignation of the party's national chairman, Asuu. Members of the party sympathetic to Governor Wike insisted that there would be no deal with Atiku until Asuu vacates his office to allow an acting chairman from the south to lead the campaign. The aggrieved party stalwarts, comprising founder members of the party, governors, former ministers, and other leaders of the party, made their position known in a resolution read by former Deputy National Chairman of the party, Chief Olabode George. They maintained that their position was not negotiable as the chairmanship of Asuu undermined the unity and constitution of the party. The House of Representatives Committee has uncovered an alleged secret account owned by the NNPC Limited. This was revealed at the commencement of a probe of all joint venture operations and production sharing contracts in the oil and gas sector since 1990. The goal of the probe is to verify the legality or otherwise of the transactions. The other committee, chaired by the chairman, Rules and Business, is probing the structure and accountability of the joint venture businesses and production sharing contracts of the NNPC in the last 32 years. It has the mandate of the House to establish whether or not the various joint venture agreements of the NNPC follow due process. The committee insists all those invited, including the organizations that challenged the authority of the parliament to execute its legislative assignment, are under obligation to appear or risk arrest.